Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the Martelli potato bag template. This is one of those amazing templates that Martelli has that makes baking your potato bags super fast, super easy, and they're going to come out perfect every single time. So this is the template. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging. With it, you get the template, and you also have full written instructions on here on creating the potato bag. And let me tell you some more things about the template before I show you some of my finished samples, is that it actually has a line on here that's in the instructions on how to use it. And one of the amazing things about the Martelli templates, all of our templates have this amazing brown fabric on the back, our Get a Grip fabric. So when you set this down on your fabric, it grips it and holds it. And I'm going to show you, this is just, you know, a couple of layers right here. And if I was to set this on my fabric, it grips it and holds it for me, and I can have multiple layers underneath here and nothing's going to be slipping or sliding for you when I go to do my cutting. Now, just again, this is it. This is a fantastic tool to use, and if you want to be able to make a bunch of them, you'd be able to stack up the fabric under here and get a whole lot of them cut at the same time. But I want to show you some finished samples because, again, this is our potato bag, and this is the tool that you use for when you want to microwave some potatoes in your microwave. You can also use it for corn. You can use it for anything that you want to quickly steam in your microwave. One of the things you need to do is be sure to use 100% cotton batting with no scrim to it. So simple. Throw some potatoes in here and then just close it up and stick it in your microwave. Great for making the potato bag. So here's one made with some potato fabric. Here's one made with some really fun print that you can do. Add a little hanger so you can hang it. If you want to make a smaller one, you could easily just make a smaller one by just using your imagination, making it slightly smaller, ears of corn, whatever. But one thing I absolutely love about the Martelli templates is you can look at that template and you can see so many other things that you can make with it. What about a zipper bag or a little bag that you can just put a snap on it, add a little handle to it? Again, this was made with the potato bag template. Here is a bag that I have where you can put your laptop in it, and instead of just using fabric, this is using a panel. So you can put your laptop in here and it would nice and storage, big storage space, add a little handle, add a couple of D-rings, some hooks, and then you've got yourself a little carrying bag. But one more thing that you can make, that I have found that you can make with the potato bag template, is I made a water bottle holder. How easy is that? And again, you can see the shape of the potato bag to be able to make this amazing little water bottle. So be sure to get yours today, the potato bag template.